Hello students, welcome back to first session on last chapter, that is financial statement analysis. In this session we are concentrating on what is analysis of financial statement, meaning of terms analysis and interpretation, objectives of analysis, parties interested in analysis and types of analysis. So let me see what exactly financial analysis are what the concept financial analysis indicates. We know that each and every business concern, irrespective of size, irrespective of nature, irrespective of time, they will prepare financial statement at the end of an accounting period with an intention of understanding the impact of whole year activity on profit, impact of whole year activity on assets and liabilities of the concern. So, financial statements are prepared with an intention of knowing profit earned by the organization or loss incurred by the organization and to identify exactly what is the financial position on that date at that moment. So that is why we are preparing, our organizations are preparing financial statement. Statements helps organization to take decision based on current financial statement. We will go for taking certain strategies to implement our plan, and within it financial statement prepared by the organization is a framework for any decisions to be taken by the management, and information provided by financial statements itself helps organization to draw certain meaningful conclusion about its position, about its profitability. Try to understand. So, what is there in financial statement as financial information helps organization to take decision, and it is possible for the organization to take decision based on financial statement data only when organization go for thorough analysis and interpretation. Try to understand. Financial statements are prepared with an intention of identifying profit or loss and to know your position, financial position at the end of an accounting period. What information is there in financial statement itself is a framework for taking managerial decision. So, management will take decision based on what information is there in financial statement. It is possible to take decision based on information in financial statement only when management or the organization go for thorough analysis and interpretation of financial statement. Here come the concept financial analysis. So what is financial analysis? It is a process of identifying financial strength and weakness of the firm by properly establishing relationship between items of balance sheet and items which are there in profit and loss account. So you are identifying strength and weakness of your concern by establishing relationship between various items which are there in balance sheet, which are there in profit and loss account. So there are various methods or techniques used in analyzing financial statement, such as comparative statement, trend analysis, common size statement, schedule of changes in working capital, fund flow analysis, cash flow analysis, cost, value, profit analysis, and even ratio analysis. So these are the various methods an organization can make use of to analyze its financial statement, which helps it to take certain decisions. So it is very clear that if you identify financial strength and weakness of an organization by establishing relationship between related figures in balance sheet and in profit and loss account, that indicates financial analysis. The entire process of identifying your strength, financial strength, your weakness, by comparing and establishing relationship between related items which are there in balance sheet and income statement, also known as profit and loss account. That indicates financial statement analysis. So, the term financial analysis, also known as analysis and interpretation of financial statement. So, it's a process of determining strength and weakness of a firm, financial strength, by establishing strategic relationship between related items of balance sheet, profit and loss account, and other operative data. Try to understand. So, we made use of two terms, analysis and interpretation. So, because financial analysis includes analysis as well as interpretation. So, according to Metcalfe and Titov, it is a process of evaluating the relationship between component parts of financial statement to obtain better understanding of firm's position and performance. Means, by establishing relationship between items in financial statement, you will be in a position to identify what exactly is the firm's position, what exactly is the firm's performance. As per Meyer, financial statement analysis is largely study of relationship among various financial factors in a business as disclosed by single set of statements and study of trend of these factors as shown in series of statements. In the sense, by establishing relationship between financial factors which are there in financial statement of a particular year, which are there in financial statements over a period of time. So, that is nothing but financial statement analysis. Means you are establishing relationship between various financial aspects or factors of not just one year. You are comparing current year with previous year. You can do by analyzing and understanding, establishing relationship between factors of one year also you can do. But to have a clear-cut knowledge and to get more, knowledge about organization's strength, organization financial weakness. So what you will do is you will not just concentrate on single set of statement. You will study the trend. The trend means changes happen over a period of time by comparing financial statement of one year with the previous years. So this is all about financial statement analysis. So it is very clear that financial statement analysis is a process of identifying financial strength or weakness of an organization by establishing relationship between various financial factors which are there in single set of accounts, and you can understand the trend, that is change occurred over a period of time by comparing financial factor of one year with the same financial factor of previous year. So this is all about financial statement analysis. So when I made use of the term financial statement analysis, I said it includes two things. One is analysis, the other one is interpretation. So now we should know what this concept analysis and interpretation means. We know now what is financial statement analysis, but we don't know what exactly is the analysis, what exactly is the interpretation. The term analysis is used to mean the simplification of financial data by methodical classification of data given in the financial statement. Means, what you will do is, you assume that you have a financial statement of an organization. So, what you will do, you will prepare based on the same financial data you have in the form of financial statement of an organization. You will prepare a simple financial statement where you will classify the data. You will not prepare in the form of account, but in the form of a statement, a meaningful statement you will prepare based on what is there in financial, profit and loss account and balance sheet. But what you will do is you will classify. For example, if you want to have an analysis of income statement or profit and loss account, you will also prepare income statement where you will have where you will classify items which are there in profit and loss account in such a way that so that it is possible for you to have different types of profit: operating profit, profit before tax, profit after tax, profit after preference dividend. So in such a way, you will simplify the financial accounts which are there with you, and you will pre-prepare that financial statement in a very simple manner. And while pre-preparing, what you will do is you will concentrate on classification of data so that you can arrive you can have a very simple classification which helps you to have a greater analysis or to know more about financial strength and weakness. So this is nothing but analysis. Means analysis is nothing but simplifying the financial data by methodical classification of data. So that is analysis. What is interpretation? Once you classify the data once you finish methodical classification of data by preparing simple financial statements, so what you have to what you have to do? You have to interlink and complementary of you have to interlink the items which are there, then you have to explain the significance and meaning of data that you classified. So the process of explaining meaning and significance of data which was analyzed in the form of preparing simple financial statement by having methodical classification. So that is known as, what is that? Interpretation. Don't get confused. The term analysis is nothing but methodical classification of data which are there in financial accounts and preparing a simple financial statement after methodical classification. So what you are doing is, so you are simplifying the data. Try to understand. Once you simplify it by establishing relationship between related item of so classified or so simplified data, you are explaining meaning and significance of such relationship. So that constitute interpretation. So analysis is an activity where you are simplifying the data based on methodical classification. Interpretation is also an activity. Once you do analysis, afterwards you have to do interpretation, which indicates you are explaining the meaning and significance of data which are already simplified or classified by making use of analysis. So both you have to do. You cannot do just analysis. Analysis is of no use if there is no interpretation. To do interpretation, you need analysis. Did you get my point? So both are interlinked. Once you do analysis, once you simplify the financial accounts of an organization by having methodical classification, then you need to explain it. So this is all about analysis and interpretation. So it is very clear that what is analysis, what is interpretation, what is financial statement analysis. Now the question arises, why we need to have financial statement analysis? There are certain objectives associated with financial statement analysis and there is so much importance is attached to financial statement analysis. The primary objective of financial statement analysis is to understand and diagnose the information contained in the financial statement with a view of judging it from the point of view of profitability and financial soundness to forecast about what happens in future. So, with an intention of judging the financial statement based on profitability, based on financial soundness, what you are doing is you are analyzing the financial statement so that it is possible for you to forecast about the future. The purpose of analysis depends upon the person interested in such analysis and his object. If your interest is to know profitability, so you will go for analyzing financial statement in such a way that so that it is possible for you to have a greater knowledge about the profitability. What object you have before you go in for analysis? Why you are analyzing the financial statement? What is the object? So based on that analysis will be there. However, the following purpose or objectives of financial statement analysis may be stated to bring out the significance of such analysis. What are the objectives? To assess the earning capacity and profitability of the organization, which I have already explained, to assess the operational efficiency, to assess the short-term as well as long-term solvency, to identify the reasons for change in profitability and financial position, to make forecast about the future prospect, to assess to assess the progress of the firm over a period of time, to help the decision making and control, to guide determine the dividend action, to provide information about information for granting credit. So these are all the objectives of financial statement analysis, which itself explains the significance of such analysis. So with an intention of identifying what is the earning capacity, what is the operational efficiency, what is the solvency of the organization. Short-term solvency is nothing but liquidity. So liquidity is nothing but ability to meet obligation during the current period. If you have ability to meet obligation as and when arises during current period or during 1 year period, that indicates your liquidity. If you are in a position to meet the obligation continuously forever, that indicates solvency. So to know the liquidity and solvency of the organization, to have an inter-firm comparison, if same type of firm is there, so what exactly is the performance of this firm when compared with that firm, if they are of similar in nature, to make forecast about the future process, to assess the progress of the organization over a period of time, to help in decision making, to guide and determine what must be the dividend policy of the organization. On that way, you need certain guide. You want to decide about the dividend policy, you need certain guide. That financial statement analysis helps you or provides you guide to determine the dividend action, and even to provide important information for granting credit. If you need credit from any financial institution, so if you go along with analysis and interpretation of your financial data, so definitely it helps that banker to understand your position. So it provides the needed information, what information they need, the banker need particularly from you. So this is all about objectives and importance of financial statement analysis. Who are the parties interested in financial statement analysis? That's the question to be answered. So investors, existing as well as new potential investor, management to take decision, creditor before supplying goods on credit or fund on credit, banker or the financial institution who provide funds, employee before what is that, demanding for more salary. So definitely they want to know about the financial position, government, trade association, economist and researcher, taxation authority. These are all the people who are very much interested in financial analysis. So this is all about today's class. Try to understand. We discussed what are the financial statements, why we need financial statement, what is financial statement analysis. We concentrated on meaning and definitions, and we understood two important concepts. They are analysis and interpretation, and we identified what are the objectives of what is that financial statement analysis, and who are all very much interested to know to have a financial analysis. We'll see what are the types of financial analysis particularly next session. Till that, take care. Thank you.